Hello friends, welcome back to our tactical of paint, and in this video we are going to tell you about the garage floor tips and techniques. Means how can we paint on garage floors and what are the techniques we have to use before applying paint on garage floors. So there are some techniques had been given by Rust-Oleum. So before knowing the topic, what is the Rust-Oleum? So Rust-Oleum is the a paint company having a global market of paint business in a worldwide, like in Asia, Europe, Australia, and South America. And this is the company which provide different kind of products as well. So there are some garage tips and techniques are available. So first one is a stay first concrete preparation. So how should we prepare concrete before applying the paint on garage floor? So in this we have to use scrub heavily solid areas with a concrete each including and rinse thoroughly and allow to dry it completely. Then in second step you can see there is a packet of paint or material which we are going to apply uh, on the floor. So before applying please mix it and shake and pour. Then so thoroughly mix the material in all pouches by shaking it and squeezing each side of the pouch. So combine the two components by placing the pouch on the ground and rolling it from the part A side towards the part B side, what they are showing in a picture. So this will create a pressure in the part A side and force the middle seal to burst, allowing the two components to mix together. So thoroughly mix the material by shaking the pouch back and forth and squeezing the edges and corners towards the center of the pouch for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the mixed material from the pouch on the floor and about a foot from the back corner. Ball in roughly 4 to 5 feet ribbons at least and 2 to 3 feet. So cut in the edges with the paint brushes. Then step 3 you can see there's a roller. So we have to roll out the paint or product on a floor. So once a small amount of garage coat is poured onto a section of floor, then use the foam roller including to roll it out and an M and W pattern working in a 4 into 4 feet sections, 4 into 4 inches sections. So this is the section you will get WRM tab. Then continue working in 4 into 4 inches sections, pouring a new ribbon 2 inch away from a previous sections. Then use the roller to pull out the material back first. Then it can be pushed forward to fill in the wide between sections. Overlap into previously coated areas while taking care to avoid creating thick spots. So means we can use overlapping to just reduce the thick layer. Then in step 4 broadcast. So in this step once a step across the entire back wall has been coated, then we can toss decorative paint chips. Chips means these are chips over the film. So onto the bait coatings and leave a 6 inch to 12 inches section of bait film without decorative chip, and this section will be rolled into when coating the next 4 to 4 inch areas. And skip this step if paint chips are not desired, so it will not affect coating performance. Means if you are not getting a proper coating and chips are not desired what you want, then you can leave it this process. Otherwise you can use, and finally the film will look like this, your floor coating. So it's a really because we know that in garage we want some friction, because grease and different kind of stains would be there. So this kind of coating would give you a proper hardness, film properties, and friction of to your floor coatings. So I feel this is the good there are steps, good steps, and you can use while applying the paint on garage floors. So thank you guys. I hope that you would like this session and this video. Please share if you like this. Thank you.